Hi, this is a video to show you how to edit and add details to the events shown on the Community Arts and Culture page of the Eden Hall website. So first you're going to navigate to Pages, and then you will navigate down under the Not Linked section, and you will come all the way down to this folder, SS2019 Events, and you will click on SS Events. Okay, so you'll see every event that we've added, both the events for the summer concert series as well as the events around brunch and farm-to-table dinners are listed here. And so the way you edit details or add details is you find the event you're interested in and you click Edit. And then adding a picture is as simple as clicking on here and saying Image, and then uploading an image from somewhere on your website or on your computer, and then you can come down here and type in the text. The way that the different events get pulled into the proper section is all of the events that go in the brunch and farm-to-table dinners section are actually tagged brunches and farm-to-table dinners. Okay. You can change the event details here, the start and the finish. And then the items that will actually show on where the Learn More link is, you want to type those in here. And if you want an image to display, I think those are set to not show images, you would have it here, because you can see how some of the other events do have an image as a thumbnail image on them. These also have a location, which is how most of the events are showing a location. I will show you here. Discard that. They're showing this location here. And this start time and all of that information is coming from the start and end time and dates are here, and the location information is in here. The easiest thing to do when you're creating a brand new event from scratch is to find an event that's similar to your event. Say you were going to add a new event to the music series. Now these are pulled in to the proper section using a category of summer event series. Okay. And so if you wanted to create another one of these, but on a different day, rather than start from scratch, you would say duplicate. And then it would show a copy over here, and you'd work in that copy, making sure to update the date and time and any information and images. And again, the elements like the headline bands and then the link that brings them from the Community Arts and Culture page to the calendar entry are all in this excerpt. So it's really important that anything you want to show on that page, that you fill it out here. And again, you want to change, if you're doing a copy, you want to change this information. I've used the format of year, month, day, and then a description of the event. And again, here is the location information that lets them, when they click on the map, show them the right spot. Okay, so just to come back out and show you on that Community Arts and Culture page, you can find it in here if you want to surf around and find it, but I find it's often easier simply to click it from up in the menu and navigate there. So this 2019 summer series schedule is actually a little summary block. And it's looking at that SS Events page that I showed you earlier. And it's choosing what events to display. Now, I could have it show a thumbnail and it would show images, but because not all of them had images, we didn't do that. However, the one neat feature is when you do have it show the thumbnail is the date shows up out there. I'm going to take that off. But that's kind of how. And then the category filter of summer event series is what prevents all those brunches and everything else from showing in here. And again, down here, under the brunches and farm-to-table dinners section, in this summary block, it's pulling again from the SS events. However, when it's choosing what to display, it is saying only show things with the tag brunch and farm to table dinners. So we were using the category up top and the tag, oh, excuse me, down here. I do have it checked off to show the thumbnail. I'm actually going to uncheck that because we're not using that feature. Okay. If you decide to use that, you would just need to remember to show it here. But I think too many images would kind of detract from all the other events and make this page really long. So I think that is it. So if that makes sense, when you're in there and setting up the excerpt, you want to make sure that you put in the brunch and the table dinners, make sure that Learn More link is in there. It should be. And any other information that you want to show on this page, you will want to make sure it's in that excerpt. I think that is all, but please let me know if there's more information that would help you out. Okay, bye.